Hello friends and welcome to the 12 days of crafting Advent. I'm your friendly Canadian Stampin' Up demonstrator Suzanne here, and today is day 2. Of course, I'll be featuring the 12 days of crafting Advent calendar, and we are opening the box number 2. I don't know what is ahead in the future. I've really kept my nose out of the internet. So when the 12 days of crafting Advent calendar does come up, I don't look. So although I'm doing the voiceover and I know that this box is designer series paper. But I don't know what day 12 is. Who knows? I don't know. Anyway, the designer series paper is, 10 designs, single-sided, and 2 of each design. And the colors are Secret Sea, Misty Moonlight, Old Olive, Crushed Curry, Flirty Flamingo, and Basic Beige. I feel like this is a all-occasion crafting box, and the papers are reflective of that. And I feel like I could use them all, to be honest. Even that green one, not my favorite, but at least it's not Mossy Meadow. All right, comment below if you like Mossy Meadow. It's funny because it's not my favorite color, and I don't get shamed for it because I know that everyone does everything differently, and we all like what we like, right? And the Mossy Meadow people come for me. I'm joking. All right, so what we're doing today, we have 2 pieces of cardstock, we have designer series paper, and I have Secret Sea cardstock. It is sized 3 3/8 by 5 1/8, about 2.5 inches down. I am ripping towards myself. So what this card technique, I believe, is called a fault line. Don't quote me. I don't ever know the names of things, and that's the way it is. All right, so I flip it round so that I've got the straight edge on my left-hand side. It looks like I'm only tearing about half an inch here, but you want to tear off about 1.5 inches. Now, if you can do the math in your head and figure out and just use the very littlest of paper, you go right ahead. I have to do it this way. It makes it more simple for me. Anyway, I did rip off there's like a 1.5 inch sort of gap in between the two. So that being said, I'm adhering them 2 together, and I'm just adhering. I don't want them exactly even. I want the Secret Sea to peep out from the designer series paper. So yeah, it looks really fascinating and striking, to be honest. And eventually I will adhere those pieces with dimensionals, but I'm going to use them here as a place marker so that I can stamp the sentiment, which I am using from, of course, the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar stamp set. I know it's a big mouthful, you guys. It's just the way it is. They don't have a nickname for this. Anyway, it has quite a bit of sentiments and also images. So I use those 2 pieces as a place marker, and I stamped the birthday wishes in Misty Moonlight. And then I am going to adhere this to my card base, which is a Misty Moonlight card base. And I will adhere the top and bottom pieces with dimensionals. And I always overdo it with the dimensionals, and that's okay. I don't like saggy anything. So we are making sure that this card does not get crushed in the mail. And who knows, if you're a friend of mine and you have a birthday, this could be coming to you. All right, so because it's a darker cardstock, I am just going to take some copy paper from my printer or printer paper or whatever, and again, just adhere sort of the top portion. I don't have to, utilize everything. I have a little strip here left over from the Designer Series paper, and I'm going to adhere that to the top. And that's my card for today. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I would love it if you left me some lovely comments below. So I will see you tomorrow, and bye for now.